Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 elements that you can use to create some variety in your playing, and when used collectively can really make a dynamic shift, especially when you have some repeated sections like multiple verses or repeated chorus, or even part of the intro or interlude. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're talking about 3 elements to increase some variety in our playing. And I'm going to use the song 10,000 Reasons because it has 3 verses, kind of repeats the same type of feel to it, but on verse 3 there are some different words, so I want to use a little different feel to match the words. But let's go to verse 1. So if I'm going to play it and sing it, I would sing, "The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again." Okay? So I've got a medium dynamic. I'm playing kind of here in the mid-range. So I've got a nice feel to it. When I get to verse 3, though, I have, "On that day when my strength is failing." So my strength is failing. I might want to change it up a little bit. So let's talk about the first thing, and that's dynamic. That's basically how loud or how soft you play. So instead of playing like this, I can play it a little bit softer. "And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come." Okay, that changes it a little bit. But let's look at the second element, which is rhythm or frequency of notes. So I'm playing a decent amount of notes and that first part. But now I'm going to change it up. I'm going to play less notes. I'm going to play less busy. "And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come." Okay? So by adding that second element, I've increased the variety a little bit more. It sounds a little more varied than the first way I was playing it. But now if we add the third element, we're really going to change it up. And the third element is range. That's basically how high or how low we are on the keyboard. I was playing pretty much in this mid-range in the piano around middle C. But now I'm going to take everything pretty much up an octave. But I'm going to add the other 2 elements, which is the dynamics and the frequency. So now listen. Wow. So by adding those 3 together, it really makes a big difference in the song. So let's go back. Let's hear the verse 1 again. "The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again." Now compare that with verse 3 now. "And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come." Quite a big difference from that, okay? So now one more thing that we have to think about is, how do I get from that high range, lower dynamic, less frequency notes to get down to the piano here? If I'm going to change the dynamic, I can gradually get louder. If I'm going to change the rhythm, I can gradually add how many notes I'm going to play. But if I'm in the higher range, how do I get from the higher range gradually down to the lower range? I have to kind of migrate my hands down. So I'm going to play the first half of that up here. "On that day when my strength is failing, the end goes near and my time has come." Now on that second half, I'm going to start to migrate my hand down. So I have to kind of know where my chords are. I have to know every place to play a G chord, every place to play a D chord, or whatever key you're playing this in. A, B minor. So I have to know all of that so that when I migrate down, I can play a G chord in any position. I can play an A chord in any position. I can play a D chord or a B minor chord in any position. So now I'm going to start to migrate and watch my hands as I move gradually down here so that when I get to the end of that, my hands are in this position here from up here. It's not a drastic shift. I'm just gradually migrating down. So let's take that. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and then forevermore. So you see how my hands gradually migrated down, not making a dramatic shift, but trying to find those chords as I find my hand position a little bit lower on the piano. Well, I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the little notification bell so you're aware of all future videos to come. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.